Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to deactivate your Instagram account or Instagram account deactivate. If you want to deactivate your Instagram account, so let's see how to do that. After that, choose and open your Instagram account. You can see my Instagram account, and in this time I can easily deactivate Instagram account or temporary deactivate Instagram account. So let's see how to do that. After that, you can see Instagram profile picture, click on it. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. You can see account center, password, security, personal details, add preferences. So instead you can choose and open account center, click here. After that, scroll down. In this you can choose and open personal details, click here. After that, choose and open account ownership and control, so click here. So in this you can choose and open deactivation or deletion. After that, choose and open your Instagram account, open it. After that, in this you can choose deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporary. After that, choose continue, click on it. Deactivating your Instagram account, and in this time I can choose one reason. You can see many reason. In this time I can choose last reason, something else. After that, choose continue, click here. Confirm temporary account deactivation. You are about to temporarily deactivate your account. You can reactivate your account at any time through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. After that, you can see two options, deactivate account and cancel. So in this you can choose deactivate account, click here, and in this way you can easily deactivate your Instagram account or temporarily deactivate Instagram account.